Dumpster Rental Service, Winter Haven, Florida. When you need a dependable dumpster rental service in Winter Haven, Florida, Lady Waste Corp is here to keep your project on track and your property clean. Whether you're cleaning out your home, landscaping your yard, or doing a full-blown construction job, we've got the right size dumpster for every project. Our range includes everything from small to large yard dumpsters, built to handle all types of waste. As a locally based company, Lady Waste Corp delivers fast and reliable service in Winter Haven. We know the area and understand your needs, from quick delivery to prompt pickup every time. Our customers are our priority. We handle delivery, pickup, and everything in between, so you can focus on the task while we take care of the waste. Our dumpsters can take almost anything from yard clippings and renovation debris to old appliances and unwanted furniture. At Lady Waste Corp, we keep it simple with affordable, transparent pricing, no hidden fees, just fair rates that make budgeting easy. Customers across Winter Haven trust us for our reliability, professionalism, and friendly service. We're Winter Haven's go-to choice for dumpster rentals, from homeowners to contractors. For the best dumpster rental service in Winter Haven, Florida, call Lady Waste Corp today at 321-414-0014. Let us help you clear the way for your next project.